welcome back. I am back from making my chicken KFC recipe. If you saw that video, you know that this mukbang is coming. So I am done making that recipe. It is time for us to enjoy it, guys. It smells so lovely in here. I'm actually eating this food immediately I finish making it because it's lunch time, but it is absolutely yummy. And yes, come on board, let's dive in. This is a good recipe to make for your children, during this staying at home period. It is a good recipe to make for them, and my kids, they're already eating their own. They can't wait. But yes, I am going to dive in as well and enjoy my own while it's still hot. So let's pray and get on with it. So it is time. I do not want to waste too much time today talking. It is time. Here I have my sauce. If you saw that recipe video, you know I mixed the sweet chili sauce, mayonnaise and ketchup. Here is my mini salad, and this is fried crispy onions, and that is my fried chicken, fried soft chicken. So guys, I am ready. Come and join me. Let's do what we know how to do best. It is time to demolish like champions. So I am going to take one of the chicken and I'm going to leave that here. I'm going to dip in the sauce. Look at that sauce. Oh my days. This is so tasty. I'm regretting why I didn't go out to buy fizzy drink. This would have gone so well with Fanta. Hey. Guys, this was 100% delicious. If you haven't seen that my recipe, please go and check it out. This was delicious. Like the chicken, all the seasoning that I put in the chicken, yummy. It was so good. Try that my recipe and tell me what you think about it. And the fried crispy onions, guys, words cannot explain it. I'm just telling you, words cannot explain what my mouth just experienced now. Everything was just super delish and super yummy with the salad, the sauce, the chicken. Anyway, guys, this is where this mukbang is going to end. This is so good. Like, the only thing that I'm regretting that I didn't have on this day was either Coca-Cola, Fanta, name it, any of them fizzy drink would have gone so well, so well with this food. You know, it would have. Like, the chicken is just so juicy. It is so juicy. Guys, I am going to go now. Let me stop telling you how juicy it is, because I don't think you will understand how juicy this food was. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. And to all my old subscribers, thank you. You guys are so awesome. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for your wonderful support and your love. And please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up on your way out. It really means a lot to me and my channel, so we can keep growing this channel, keep getting it out there. And yeah, your thumbs up really tells YouTube that I'm doing an okay job. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.